Press the keyhole cover slightly on the left side, then slide it to the right to uncover the emergency keyhole. Insert the emergency key into the keyhole and turn it clockwise. Hold the key, and then turn the handle counterclockwise to open the door. Locate the battery compartment on the back of the door. Install 4 new AA batteries into the battery compartment. Make sure each battery is inserted correctly according to polarity. Press the reset button located inside the battery compartment. When the blue light flashes and you hear 2 short beeps, input a new user code and press # to confirm. You will hear a long beep, and green light will turn on, indicating your user code has been accepted. Open the safe using the user code or key. Double-click 0 on the keypad. Press the reset button located inside the battery compartment. After yellow light flashes twice and the blue light turns on, input your new admin code and press # to confirm. The yellow light will flash and the blue light will turn off. To complete the setup, please input the code again, followed by #. You will hear a long beep and the green light will turn on, indicating your new admin code has been accepted. Input your code followed by #. You will hear a long beep and green light will illuminate. Rotate the handle counterclockwise within 6 seconds to open the safe. To lock the safe, close the door and turn the handle clockwise.